Good morning, everyone. Respected Principal Ma'am and my teachers and my dear friends. I am Aadya Singh from 2nd A, Rule number 1, Red House. Today I am going to share a recipe for a healthy sandwich. I made it peri salami sandwich. It is very yummy and healthy and delicious. The ingredients which I've used is salami and chopped onions and the sausages. Now, see, and this is the bread which is very good for your health. Now, these ingredients are peri sauce, which is a bit spicy, and these are the garlic mayonnaise, and these are the spices, and this is the pepper and the salt. Now we have to chop it. It looks like this. And when we put these all ingredients together, it looks like this. And it smells so good. Now, I will take this bread and then I will just take a slice of it. And then I will just keep it here. And then,
Just a little bit more.
Take a bit more, okay. See, now use this knife, bread knife, to do like this, and we're just gonna make it. Okay. Now I'll put another bread, a piece.